What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Sal here, back again with another video, and this is a special one. Folks, on the screen right now, you're seeing a beta page for Commonstock.com. This is a new social media platform built from the ground up for the trading community. Whether you trade crypto, whether you trade stocks or options, you are welcome here. Now, I'm introducing them to you guys first because I really want you to get first dibs to access some of the amazing things going on here. Like many of you, I have lost accounts to trading and talking about stocks on Twitter. I'm on my third Twitter account right now. Social media and the platforms already available just have not been friendly to people like you and me who love the game, who love to trade stocks and options. And this is where Commonstock comes in. This is a social media platform that allows you to grow your clout, to prove yourself, with your trades using, again, your real verified trading track record. Yes, I remember, if those of you guys may as well, years back when we used to pay Tim Sykes, $150, $200 or whatever it was to prove our trades. Well, those days are over, right? You're no longer going to have to pay anybody to verify that you are in fact the real deal, that you know what you're doing when you step out there and put your money on the line. So finito when it comes to that kind of business. Now, you can prove yourself with other traders, again, using real verified trades that are tracked by the second, right? You are, everybody's able to log in and literally see how you're performing as the trading day goes on. So, again, this is live, no BS, no screenshots, the real deal. Now, the big question in trading is going to be, are you on Commonstock? I'm going to say that right now because I can already see this is really going to take off. Now, it's again in beta stage, but it is really going to take off. And trust me, we're going to get into that. We're going to get into that. Bear with me, right? Stay calm. I know you're probably already on the website now trying to sign up, but just follow along with me here. You can track other people's real portfolio and performance by percentage. You can also copy trades in your own account using the amount of money that you have in your trading account. You can dig into insight and analysis from the experts. Again, this is very early. There's still not a lot of people on this platform right now. So that's why it's so important for you, once we get in here, for you to just jump in there and really run with it, right? So get in there, get your username, get set up, be ready to go, log in, get connected, and start running with it and building a platform for yourself on the platform. So let's go ahead and jump in here and see what it looks like on the other side. I've already signed up. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You've got your feed. This would be where the individuals you're following would post their updates and trades that they've taken today. You can, of course, filter. You can, of course, let me go ahead, filter through trades and insight memos they may have posted. So here's some of the memos that have been posted. I'm already following this gentleman here, Nathan Warden. All right, here's a trade, and he's talking about the trade that he took today. Here's some trade alerts by individuals on the platform. Of course, you can post memes as well. This is social media for traders, guys. Let's go look on the other side here. This is where you would see your performance as you link to your broker. So I have not linked to my broker yet. Shout out to Tastyworks. Hey, I'm gonna need y'all to run me my money so I could, jump on this. So I'm going to have to end up moving back to one of these platforms, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Coinbase, or IB. And it's just so crazy because I was with IB for years and then went over to Tastyworks, and now I got to go back. So I'm going to be going back very shortly. But Tastyworks, run me my money so I could, jump on this right now. So within about a week of this video, I'm definitely going to be on the platform showing you guys my verified trades. So let's go back to the main page. And as you can see here, if we scroll down here on the right side of the screen, you see the leaderboard here. And on the leaderboard, you can see who's, as it says, on the lead, and you can see who's globally leading site wide and also leading among the people you're following. So I'm not following anybody right now, but as you can see here, this gentleman, Travis Henson, for the last 90 days or 3 months, he's up 131%. Let's see who's in the lead for the year. So who's in the lead for the year is Bryce Landry. You can click on his name. He's up, as it says here, 852% for the year. He's got an interesting collection of stocks here. Some trades. You can see the trades he's posted. Let's look at some memos. He hasn't posted any memos yet. He hasn't made any comments yet. But as you can see here by the chart, he's done a really great job of beating the market so far this year. Did pretty good today as well. You can see the number of followers he has, the current total of follower assets. This is really also a pretty cool feature where they show you the millions of dollars the followers have that are following you. 1.6 million in follower assets are following Bryce Landry. And of course, you can kind of go down the line of other traders too and what they have available. This is Tyler Stackpole. And again, this is a beta, so I don't know if these are real people. These could be real people, or these could just simply be accounts that they have created to just continue to test the platform. But I do know that, again, these are individuals that you're going to be able to follow and see and copy their trades and take advice from if you so choose to do so. All right. And again, you would have to, oh, this person looks like it not, or at least that Twitter account isn't accurate. But let's go ahead and look at some of the other traders here. Because again, there are very few people on this. Let me see. This is, all right. So this guy looks to be legit. This looks like to be a legit account. So you will need a good Twitter account to really take full advantage of the platform, because you're able to then share information and trades that you're generating onto Twitter in a very safe way, all right? In a very safe way. But obviously, most of the joy that you'll be doing, most of the trading and the information sharing and whatnot is going to be taking place within the platform. All right, let's keep it going here. So obviously, when we scroll down below the leaderboard, you'll see what's trending right now. Stocks that are really hot right now, whether it be global, the individuals you're following, or top investors on the platform. You also get to see mentions, what tickers are just incredibly hot right now on the platform. So look for this space to be a great place for you to be able to determine what's hot during the day as the platform grows. Sentiment is an interesting idea that they're generating here. As you can see, nothing is there now, but that's going to be a really interesting also part of the website where you're going to be able to see what other traders think about particular stocks as the day goes on. The platform gives you a list of investors to follow. I don't know how they go about picking who ends up here, but I have no doubt it will probably have a lot to do with, how many people are following them, their success in trading, whether it be over a week, a month, or year, who knows. But again, as this platform becomes more popular, look for some big names to end up showing under that investors to follow category. Featured memos. Now, this is really interesting because actually some pretty decent write-ups that we're seeing here. And again, these, the site is in a beta, right? So it's still being put together. They're still working out kinks, but look for featured memos to possibly be where you're going to start seeing some, really great write-ups by some of the best analysts in the world, quite frankly, show up right here under featured memos. This is information that typically would cost thousands of dollars a year to become a member of, and I have no doubt this is a platform that's going to attract some of the best trading talent in the world where they're just going to want to slap it on there because it's just going to make a lot of sense for them to do so and to get their name out there. All right. Now, let me go to the settings portion because this is also really important. This is also really important, guys. So let's go to settings. All right, just by clicking your profile. Let's go ahead and edit the profile. So now we edit the profile. Again, I'm just signed up to the service, right? So you got my name. And go ahead and use your real name. I know some of you guys, you just have an issue with that. So you're going to put all kind of, stuff there. That's fine. But I'm looking at this platform as like the LinkedIn of trading, right? This is really going to be a place where some of you guys might be so good, you might end up getting a real job from this thing. So you don't want to use like some kind of cornball, like, nickname or something like that. Go ahead and use, your name, man. Go ahead and use your name. So I'm using my name because I don't really have anything to hide. And I'm here to learn. I'm here to show what I have learned and prove that there's still a lot more to learn. So usernames, this is really interesting, guys. Look at this. QQQ is still available. Amazon is still available. For those of you guys who were on Twitter in college, 2007 to 2010, 2012, you remember, you guys remember how hard it was to get good usernames. This is an opportunity for you to join this, network right now and be able to get a decent username, whether it be your last name or your name of your favorite stock or something like that. I put in SPY, and SPY is available. Now, it's not going to be available by the time you watch this because I'm going to change my name to SPY. But jump on there and get it. In fact, let me check something real quick. Oh, damn, Tesla is still available. So, look, if that's your favorite stock, go out and get that as your username. Be the boss of that. Now, it doesn't miss me to understand that if you're going to make your username Microsoft or Google or whatever your favorite stock is, AMZN or whatever, you're married to the stock and you better know what the heck you're doing in terms of trading in that particular vehicle. So, if that's not going to be your thing, then just, let me see, is EEM available? Wow, EEM, okay. Well, this is really interesting. It just shows you how young this really is. Just goes to show you how young this really is. So guys, don't wait any longer. Sign up. Connect your Robinhood, because I know a lot of you guys are Robinhood traders. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to go ahead and use that platform next, being that I just took a look at their desktop platform, and it looks a lot better than it did the last time I was on Robinhood almost 2.5 years ago now. So things looking really good at Robinhood. With that being said, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click a like on this video right now. Leave a comment. Tell me what you feel and what you think about it. Also quick to, oh man, there's so much to add here. Real quick, you can also create groups. It's right here on the side. You can create groups. They haven't created where you can search groups that have already been created. That feature I'm not seeing just yet, but obviously that is coming. Yes, you can direct message people on the platform. That's available here as well too. You can chat privately among people. But look, there's a lot going on here, folks. There's a lot going on here, folks, and there's a lot coming. So with that being said, let me end the video here. Go check it out. Check it out right now. Share it. Tell people about it. It's your boy Sal. Subscribe if this is your first time watching. I put out really good content and try to inform my community about what's hot and what's not. Till next time, tomorrow is another trading day. Trade well.